my channel. My name is Nadeshta, and today in this video I will be doing unboxing of everything that I got for my business, everything business related. So I don't want to say I never had a business. Like, I've always been in business, if that makes sense. I've always done hair, I've always done makeup, and I went to beauty school in order for me to open up my own salon, but that never came to pass. I never opened up my salon. I was always a kitchen beautician because my main job was education. I'm a teaching artist, and with all that has been going on, I have been out of work like a lot of people in America. And so my side hustle, like everybody else, has become now a legitimate thing that I'm doing in order to survive. So I always made wigs, or I did people's hair, I did makeup and things like that. But now that I'm home and I've had more time on my hands, I've expanded those things. Like, I make whipped shea butter, I made shimmering lotion, I have hair oils and things of that nature. Basically a cosmetic beauty line. And I have recently expanded to lip gloss. I know the last video that I posted was a video of me making lip gloss, and I don't know why I didn't talk in that video. I don't know why I didn't intro it. I just recorded myself making the lip gloss, and it's very popular. So I have a website now, because at first, when I first stopped working, I was doing drop-offs. Like, I was making wigs, or I was doing a wig washing service. So for my friends that needed their hair washed and revamped, I would do it and then I would drop it off. But then there was the whole ban where I couldn't. I'm not gonna say I couldn't, but I chose not to. I self-quarantined. I didn't want to get sick. I didn't want to catch the Rona, and I didn't. There are other people that I've known that have caught Rona and have since become healthy. So I'm just in the house, okay? And I'm not bored. I'm not in the house bored, because I've been in the house working on my business. So in the past, I can't unbox what I ordered in March and April, but this is what I've accumulated in May. The system that I came up with is, instead of buying one items, I make a bulk or a huge order at the beginning of the month. Since today's June 1st, so today during my work hours, I made work hours in my house, like, because it's crazy. Without going, I didn't have structure. I didn't. So I created a schedule for myself. So during my work hours, I put in my order for the month of June, and now I'm opening all the orders that I've accumulated last month. And all of these, I don't think all, but most of these things are open because I sprayed them down. I brought, it's all the way over there. I ain't gonna go get it right now, but I sprayed everything down once I get them, and I leave them sitting on not my porch, on the inside of my door for like a day or two. So all Rona, I don't know how true that is, but what is it called? Prevention is better than cure. So to prevent anything, I disinfected everything and let it sit for a while. And now, almost a month, 2 weeks later, I'm now actually opening and going through them. So I may remember what some of these things, like this pink thing, I already know what it is. Well, I'm gonna open them, but I already know what this pink thing is, and I haven't used any of them yet, because in addition to getting all these, well, in addition to getting packaging to mail things off, I went to USPS and got those free mailers, the free boxes, and I'll show that to you later because at this moment I'm using those boxes to prop up my camera because today was I'm talking a lot. Well, anyway, I'm here by myself. I'm talking to you guys, so y'all my friends right now, so I'm talking to you guys like my friends. I haven't spoken to anybody. I'm gonna say this is face to face because I'm face to face in a long time. Everything that I've been doing has been via FaceTime and Zoom and things like that. So I'm kind of comfortable with this thing here. But now that I'm not talking to somebody and they're not talking back to me, it's kind of weird. But oh well. But today's been a weird day. Like, I have this, and right before, not even right, like seconds before, not even seconds, because it took me a while to take everything off. But anyway, right before I decided to record, this broke. I don't even know where I put the other part. Oh, there you go. So this part broke off my camera. Boom, one. This is not even my camera, off my tripod. But this is not even like a sturdy, I got this from Target, but it's been lasting me for years because I started this channel in 2004. That's a damn shame. I'm gonna go back and check, and if I'm right, 2004, I'll put the right date in the corner. But I've had this for a while, and I recorded many videos on this, and I deleted many videos and haven't uploaded many videos. But now that I'm home due to Rona and now rioting and protesting, but this broke today. And then I have this nice lighting setup behind, but my light bulb broke because the stand for my lighting fell and my light bulb broke. So next time I do another inventory video, you're going to see that I ordered lights and a tripod. And this phone fell in the toilet today. I put it in race quick, fast, and in a hurry, but I went online and it said that the iPhone 11 Pro is waterproof. It's still working, but when I put it to charge, a warning sign came up. Well, my charger is in there. Should I? I don't want to. Let me see. No, I'm not even going to chance it because today is not even the day. Well, this fell in the toilet today. It's still working. Wait. It's still working and everything, like, you know, it's still working, but it won't charge. So what the warning sign said was to let it sit for a while, let it dry out, and then try to charge it. So it's almost there, so I'm not gonna do that. And what else happened? That was it. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm here. I'm doing it. But I got some boxes. I forgot I was talking about these boxes. But yeah, I got these boxes for free from USPS, and that's what I've been mailing shipments out. I came to find out that these tiny lip glosses, if somebody ordered 2 lip glosses from my website, or from, not even from my website, from my Instagram, it's like, why am I shipping it out in a medium box for just 2 of these? And I'm putting in a whole bunch of filler. And when I tell you, janky setup, look at that. And I'm not editing none of this out. I really am not, because like I said, I gave myself office hours, and with doing office hours, I also made up a upload schedule, and today's June 1st, and on this channel my upload needs to go up today before 12 o'clock. But yeah, I've been filling these. I should have been more prepared. I didn't know I was going to talk about this, but if you know a medium USPS box, maybe after the fact I'll get one and open it up and show you how I've been shipping 1 and 2, maybe 3 lip glosses in these big ass boxes. But I've been putting in these things from Amazon to fill up the air. And you're gonna see, I got the idea from Staples because I bought ink from Staples, 2 inks, and they gave me this big ass box, and I was like, oh, this is how we doing it. So that's where I got that idea from. But anyway, I'm gonna get started. It's been a good minute. And like I said, I'm not editing any of this out. So first up, because it's right here, is Zazzle. I got this. Oh, sugar honey. This thing been sitting here all this time, and I didn't think to take. Oh, you can't see it though. All right, I got this from Zazzle, and these are thank you cards. And I ordered only 10 of them just to see. I'm trying to be more business minded and more professional and more kind to my customers and things like that. And so, and then I watch YouTube too, and I watched a whole bunch of videos where everybody would been, you can't even see, it's washed out. Well, maybe if I brought it closer. I got thank you cards from Zazzle. There we go. Thank you cards. So I got 10 of them, and I just got 10 to see how I like them, and I'm okay with them. Yeah, and on the back I have my logo, which I got made at on a website. It's not coming to me. Nothing is coming to me. I'm rushing right now. That's what it is. But anyway, I got my logo made on, I'm going to put the name right here, and I got the logo on it, and it says tag us in a selfie, tag us in your selfie, we want to feature you, and it has my hashtag, and then it also has my Instagram handle, and then I put a phone on it because that's where I want you to do this at. But I also wanted to put a coupon code on it, but I'm still learning the website, how to do my website, so I didn't put a coupon code on it. But if I do figure it out before I do my next order, I'm just gonna write it in the phone or in this area right here and put a coupon code. But if not, it's okay. By the time I order more, and I just got it matte, it's not glossy or anything like that. I like it. I really do like it. So I got, I think it's 10. Yeah, I got 10. 10 from Zazzle. So that's the first thing. And then I'm gonna put it back down here. Next up, I ordered from Michael's, and then I went and picked it up. So this is from Michael's, and what I got from, before all that, I said that because of all this paperwork. Like, wait, no, this paperwork is from Staples. This is from Michael's. So what I got from Michael's is 1 large. It's not a tip coupler. What is this? This don't belong in it. This is the tip. I got a large tip coupler. Now let me look and see what I got. Maybe I am gonna edit. Oh yeah, I did get 3. So I got 3 couplers, and this is what I put on the piping bag. That's what it is. It doesn't say piping bag. maybe I bought it when I went in the store. Yeah, I bought the pastry bag when I went in the store. So I bought a pastry bag, a piping bag, a large. Everything is always because it's white. I got one pastry bag. I got 3 couplers, and then I got an open star tip. Don't lose any of those receipts, Nadia. This is another coupler. So I got 4 couplers by mistake, or I may have went in the store and bought more. Because I didn't think the store was open. Like, I thought everything was closed. So when I went to pick it up and I saw that the store was open, I went inside. And when I went inside, I shopped. Not really shopped. I went and picked up more stuff. But normally, I got these to package my whipped shea butter. And, well, it's not only shea butter. It's whipped shea butter, mango butter. Is a whip. Basically, this is for my body butters. And normally what I would do is put them in a Ziploc bag and then cut the tip of the Ziploc bag and put it in. But it was okay for before, right? But now that it's on a website and it's going, and I'm saying before, like, I love my friends and family, but y'all my friends and family, like, y'all know what it is. But for strangers, for people that don't personally know me, I am shipping to them, and so I wanted to look a little bit more presentable. So I got star tips. Yeah, they're all stars. One is large. I got 3 different sizes. So these are what they are. These are how they look. So 3 star tips, 4 couplers, and 1 bag. I have to go back. Yeah. I got a whole bunch of couplers. Maybe yeah, I am gonna buy more bags. Yeah, large tip coupler. But that is what I got from Michael's. And I'm making a mess as I go, and I'm trying to clean up as I go, because that's gonna be my next video. I have to clean up my office space, and yeah, that's what it is. But that's the, where did I put the, okay, I see right now. This one, this is where I got the idea about putting the filler from my Amazon boxes. So this is what, this box is not even as, I think this box is bigger than a medium USPS box, but this is what Staples did. And Staples didn't even have fillers in it. This is how it came. Okay? So I bought printer ink. I bought 1, 2, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Did not need this big of a box, but that's what I got. And so I don't have the other 2, and I opened this one, but I didn't use it because the blue ink wasn't wasn't finished. But the other ones are in the printer as we speak, and so I got that. The next thing the next purchase that I want to purchase is a label maker. Not a label maker, what is it called? This thing, this is a label. It's a label maker. A label maker. I need the thing so it could just stick out, because right now what I've been doing is cutting and taping. I ain't got nothing better. Not better. I don't have anything better at the moment, but it's tiresome. So that's my next thing. But right now, that's what I'm doing. So that's that. And I'm gonna start putting stuff. Once I open it, I'm gonna put it in this box. Alright. Next is another purchase. I'm gonna leave it there for now, because and those are gonna be the next 2. Another purchase from Zazzle. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 20 stickers. So what I'm going to use these for is when I close my packaging. Like, I have tissue paper. I bought tissue paper from the dollar store that I've been using, so I'm not going to put it in this video because I've been using it. It's not an unboxing of it, but I got tissue paper and I've been closing the tissue paper with tape, and I need my tape. So, but tape is more efficient, but it looks janky to me. So I bought these with my my logo on it. They're heart shaped. I need to find a way to do better lighting. But anyway, they're heart shaped, and what my plan is to do with these is to put my products in the boxes and then cover them up with the tissue paper, and then to close the tissue paper I will close with a heart logo sticker. So that was my next purchase, and I got that from Zazzle. And if it works out, when it gets down to like my last 8, I'll order a bunch. Yeah, I should have put my phone on airplane mode, but I'm gonna just get this over with, and then I know better for next time. And so my next orders are from Heyyyy Printing, and is it Heyyyy Printing? Heyyyy product. We print. No, I think We Print is because I asked them to print for me. But anyway, the next thing is from Heyyyy, and then this one is this one is label stickers with my alternate logo, and this I bought these stickers to go on my my lip gloss base that I've been making. I've been sending them out with no logo on it, which is okay. It was good then, but now I'm, what is it called, branding. I need to brand my stuff, so boom, I got these to put on, yeah, my base. And I got 1, 2, 8, 16. I got 16. Yeah, 16. Just, you see the theme, like, I'm just like seeing how it goes, and then if I like it, I go and purchase more. And so I got that, and that's only, well, I'm not gonna say only, but that's the purpose of why I bought that. And the next thing was these. I'm sorry. But next I bought these logo stickers, and then these are for my lip glosses, and one is missing because I used one already, and that's what forced me to record this video today, because I didn't want to start using more of these, and by the time I show you guys that I got it, it's like, what's the point of showing that I unboxed it when I've already been using it? So this is what I put on my lip. And they fit. I may need to get it a little smaller, but it's good for now. And this is why I say I buy a small amount first, and then I make my adjustments to make a bigger purchase where there's no issue. But yeah, that's that. Next is FedEx, and here I got lip gloss base from TKB. And I bought they not shooting. They not doing that around here right now. They can't be. Alright, I bought anyway, I bought 4 5x5 ounce sorry, that was a car. Okay, 4 5x5 ounce gloss base, because like I said, I'm getting into the lip gloss thing. Everybody's buying lip gloss, and so everybody that I've been working with online they ask. I said good 3 people asked me about these, and then my little cousin, she's interested in it, and so I'm branching off into lip glosses. Next, and this is what I'm talking about. For one thing. And so this one thing is washi tape. And it's a rose gold washi tape. And if you haven't, like, I'm not gonna say realized, but I haven't said it, but my theme, I don't have a theme yet, but the color scheme of my business is rose gold, white, pink, those kind of colors, and a little bit of teal. But I think I'm gonna take the teal out of it and just have rose gold, white, and pink, like a blush pink. Why is this not going back in? But that is my theme. So the majority of the things that I'm getting for my business is rose gold. And yeah, all I'm gonna do now is take all this Amazon Prime stuff off of it, take my address off of it, and I'm gonna use, oh, it got a big ass arrow on it. 2 big ass arrows. I'm gonna use this box too. Reuse, rinse, reuse, recycle. I purchased a lot from Zazzle. Here's another. Well, everything's being washed out. I don't think my address was just shown. For the next video, I'm going to make sure that I put something over my address before I start this. That Amazon box was trying to open on its own. It scared the crap out of me. But I know what this is already, and it's a shame that I'm shipping things off and I haven't used not a near one of these because I'm not used to using these yet, but for my business. But I bought, how much is one quantity? I think it's 1 box. More than likely it's 100 in here, maybe. I'm not gonna sit here and count. Open. It doesn't say, but these are business cards that I am supposed to be putting in my my packaging, but I have yet to. And now that I've opened them, I'm going to start using them. But this is everything. This is my business card. It just has my logo, and then on the back it has the name of the business, which is my name, Nadeshta C, and then beauty. Nadeshta C Beauty, where I have hair, lashes, lips, and body. Yeah, and then it has my website on it. I don't know what they're doing, if that is firecrackers or what, but that is too. This kid's playing outside, so yeah. And again, this is not glossy, it's just a regular business card. And yeah, I'm gonna use these until basically they're done, and then by then I should change them. I am gonna change them, but I like them. Maybe I'll just make what I have here better by the time I finish this. So I think it's 100. Let me see. There's something in here. Yeah, it doesn't say. Yeah, I don't know how many is in here. By the time I complete 100 orders online, it'll be time for me to reorder business cards. So next we have, I don't know why I keep turning. Oh, I didn't open this. What is this? Oh, I did open it. I didn't know that this was going to be so small, but I got filler paper, paper shred, white, and it's being washed out on the camera. But I'm going to use the white, but I think I want to get some pink and some rose gold filler paper. But since I got so little, I think I'm going to use this for product pictures to put on my website. So right now, today, as I'm uploading this video, the pictures of my lip gloss and my body butters will not be up because I took them down to get better pictures to put it up. And so more than likely by Wednesday, when I do my next upload, I should have product pictures, better product pictures up of my lip glosses and of my body butters. And then I got rose gold bubble mailers. These are too big. I think everything that I bought was big. Too big. But anywho, I'm still going to use these, like, small. I'm still going to use these, but I'm going to also order small. I'm going to get a variety of sizes of bubble mailers in this color. But rose gold, again, is the prominent color theme scheme of my business. So this is it. I don't know what size this is. Again, anything that I should be saying that I am not saying, I said I wasn't going to edit it. So even when I said I'm going to put the name here, that's the edit. I may edit this video, but yeah. Or I'll just, yeah, I'm going to be too tired. I'm just going to watch this video back and put in all the stuff that I said that I'm going to put in the video and just throw it up there because ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time for that. This one is from Amazon, but this is something else that I thought was bigger than what it is. It is pink and rose gold and blush. Is that ivory? Pink, rose gold, blush, and ivory confetti paper. And this is to go into my starter kits. To make them to make them look all pretty. But I didn't know it was going to be this little of a thing. I don't even remember how much I paid for this. But maybe I got what I paid for. I'm not sure. I am going to edit this video. But yeah. Oh, it is a lot. It is a lot. But anyway, like I said, because it's so little, I might use this for product pictures. But now that I'm playing with it, I'm seeing that it's more than what I think it is. Maybe it was squished. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's an unboxing. Why am I playing with it? Yeah, it's a lot. This could go in a couple of, yeah. This is a good amount. It's a good amount. It's a good amount. But yeah. Don't want to make a mess. So yeah. Pink, rose gold, and ivory blush. Oh, that's why it's freezing down. I can't fit in the bag. confetti paper, and that's the packaging. Next, again, this is from Amazon, and this is I don't know. Oh, okay. So basically it's the same thing that I just used to open up the other the confetti thing. Hold on. I don't know the proper name for this, but it's basically a Ziploc bag. And I chose black because I didn't like the holographic. They had this holographic. I didn't like it, and I think the pink was sold out. I'll still go and order pink. Yeah. Sorry, I'm thinking. Oh yeah, it fits. Yeah, so let me put 1, 2, 3. So that is what I ordered it for, to put my lip glosses in. Like another level of protection or packaging for my lip gloss. Or anything else that how many? This looks like a good 50 level. I'm gonna put this back in this because I don't want to lose that. I think the momentum is gone. I've talked too much. Nah. I need to drink me some coffee. What time is it? It's getting late. But yeah, you get the gist. Next, we have some mason jars. And these, again, are for my body butters. So this one, I believe, is my 4 ounces. Is it? Yep. My 4-ounce jars. I had to restock these. So these are 12. And again, rose gold. It says rose gold, but I think this looks kind of bronzy. But I'm gonna use it because okay. And last but not least is this box here. And first thing first is bubble wrap. I got bubble wrap, and it came with a sheet of fragile stickers. Bubble wrap. But I got this because I was running out of the poppers from the Amazon box, because like I said, I've been ordering only once a month, and so yeah, I was running out of those bubble things, and so I ordered my own bubble wrap. And I'm still gonna use the airbags from Amazon, but yeah. And then next I got these alcohol flask, and these are 8 ounces. So I do Like I said before, lip gloss base. I should wait, check it. I should check it off camera. But anyway, I make brain fart lip gloss base, and I use these. I've been using these for the past month, and they've been doing me good. And so that is why I got the labels. I've been just shipping them off with the gloss just like this, and I think yeah, I can. Come like this, 8 ounces. Yep. That, and then the last thing I have is these gift boxes, and these gift boxes I'm going to use to make starter kits. And yeah, again, rose gold is the color, and woo, sugar honey, Lord, I need to get scissors and a box cutter. And I'm saying this now just to remind myself to buy those on July 1st. Or put them, yeah, on July 1st. My notes. I didn't write down any notes because I just want to get this over with. Clean up. I should not have taken everything out at the same time. But I did. See, this is why I got my my thank you cards. And I don't think, now that I see this, I don't think my thank you cards are that bad. Maybe a little gloss next time. And Jane personalized it. It's a general message on the back. She wrote more than I wrote, and her signature's on it, but I like mine. I'm still gonna keep this as a reference. But I bought these and put this back in the box so they don't get messed up. I got these for starter kits. Oh, they're cute. So another video that I'm going to do is how I package my starter kits. Yay! And once I turn this camera off, I'm going to figure out how to close this box. But with that being said, thank you for watching my video. It's the end. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I think that's the first time I've ever actually said it in a video. I think I normally have an end card, but because I'm going back and forth about editing this video, I don't think there's going to be a exit. So I'm going to officially, this is a milestone for me. Oh, I'm going to put it on my goals met board. Oh. But it wasn't a goal, so I don't think I should put it on that. I'm gonna put it on the board. Like, comment, share. I added another word. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I truly appreciate you for watching this video. If you made it this far, I hopefully entertained you somehow, some way, somehow. Please support. And if you want me to support you, please leave a comment down below. Hit your girl up. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is NCBeautès. That's about it. Yeah, stay safe. I have this problem with putting words together, and I thought I said safe. Stay safe, okay? And I'll be back on Wednesday with another video.